In a powerful kingdom, there lived a young prince named Kaiden. By day, he was strong, kind, and loved by everyone. But at night, he turned into stone. Every sunset, Kaiden would lock himself in a dark room. One night he whispered,
Please, not again.
as the last light disappeared. His body slowly turned cold. His hands, his face, until he became a statue. Soma knew the kingdom believed their prince was perfectly fine. Only one person knew the truth. A palace servant girl named Mira. One night, she saw him by accident. She gasped,
Prince Kaiden!
but he was already stone. At sunrise, the stone slowly cracked. And Kaiden came back to life. He looked at Mira, shocked. You saw me? Mira nodded slowly. Why didn't you run away? He asked. She said softly.
Because you looked scared.
Days passed. Mira kept his secret. Every night, she stayed outside his door. One evening, Kaiden asked,
Why are you helping me?
Because no one should face darkness alone.
Kaiden felt something change in his heart. One night, Kaiden said quietly,
This is not just a curse.
Then what is it?
If I ever stay in stone form, even after sunrise, I will never come back.
Mira's eyes filled with fear.
No, that won't happen.
Kaiden didn't answer. That night, Mira waited outside his door. But morning came, and the door did not open. Her heart started racing. She called.
Prince Kaiden?
No answer. But she slowly pushed the door open and gasped. Kaiden was still stone.
Do you want to know what step I take next to bring Prince Kaiden back to life? Write part 2 in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and like my channel.